Hey guys, it's me Mason and we're gonna be unboxing this. I bet it's really cool. It's like ice monsters. Imagine if it's like also monsters. Now let's open this. The boards are really cool because they're like white and black. Now let's open this. This is harder. I got one. Oh, here we go. We got a gun. It's called the Doomlance Long Arm. It's exclusive. It's on Target. It's really fun to buy. Okay, now let's open up this. There's something in this box. Now let's open up the doors in the box. I'm gonna open up the box because I'm really curious about it. Nothing. Oh. I'm supposed to get these doors in there. Here you go. Yeah! I'm almost getting it out, and it's pretty hard. Okay, now we got these boards out. Look at little babies. They're way cooler than the other ones. This is awesome!